I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by bitrefill.com, your one-stop shop for living on a Bitcoin standard. Sign up and grab gift cards for eSIMs, gaming, e-commerce, your travel needs, food, and much more, and you can buy them all with Bitcoin and Lightning. Sign up today and use code BTC Sessions 10 for some special perks.
Recently, it's been physical spaces that make me very bullish. And, you guys already know where I'm going with this. I think the Nashville event that we had last week was an amazing reminder that when people with the same or similar ideology and with the same mission come together, people from all different walks of life, people from all around the world. I mean, we have this event, we co-hosted it with Bitcoin Park, and Bitcoin Park does an event called Grassroots every year where they bring together, BitDevs organizers from all across the states, Bitcoin community organizers, etc. So we thought to do the global version of that called the Global Bitcoin Summit. So what ended up happening is we invited close to 100 activists, entrepreneurs, developers, educators from all around the world from 56 different countries. So every continent besides Antarctica. And it was really cool because we got to spend 2-3 days together and got to share ideas about different topics in Bitcoin. So it's always refreshing because when you see people online or when you see people not very often, and when you come together in a room, you can form new ideas and new initiatives to help get Bitcoin to the people who need it the most.